Ang masama, Mr. President, tinanggap naman natin sa record ang testimonya ni Mr. Gutesa. Hindi pa rin tumitigil sa kakareklamo si Senator Marcoleta. Mr. President, ang tunay na issue hindi ang forged na affidavit kundi ang biglaang pagtatago at pagkawala ni Gutesa. For the information of this body, Mr. Gutesa, who was presented as a witness by Senator Marcoleta, has been unavailable since his initial appearance. Moreover, the committee made the option for Senate protection available to him, but he declined as evidenced by his signed waiver. And we are dutiful in locating him, Mr. President. Pinuntahan namin ang lahat ng addresses para mayabot ang imbitasyon ng komite and even rigorously visited our CCTV camera footage. Again, displaying his obsessiveness for the nth time, Senator Marcoleta even lambasted me by implying that I was surveilling his office. Galit na galit. Samantalang nais lamang nating matukoy kung sakaling may kasama si Mr. Gutesa nang dumating sa Senado upang sa gayon ay magkaroon tayo ng lead kung paano siya muling maimbita sa susunod na pagdinig. Hindi ko na nga pinalaki ang aking mga obserbasyon sa paksang ito, Mr. President. Sa halip, sinubukan pa rin naming hingin ang kanyang tulong sa paghahanap kay Sergeant Gutesa. Again, Senator Marcoleta in his TV show ranted against me. Let's watch.
Tatanungin ko siya, bakit mo kinor sa akin ito? Iniinsulto mo ba ako? Parang insulto naman sa akin yun. Ba't mo ikokor sa akin? Sino ka ba?
I dare ask, Mr. President, if a committee member brings a witness bearing such damaging allegations, does the burden of transparency not follow? Is it not just proper to cooperate with the committee regarding his whereabouts? Why then does Senator Marcoleta find my position so offensive? On many occasions, Senator Marcoleta made statements that undermine the authority and collective integrity of the committee. Mukhang aabutin tayo hanggang bukas kung iisa-isahin ko pa lahat ang katakot-takot na pag-alipusta ni Senator Marcoleta sa komite na kinabibilangan din naman niya on the release of the minority report. Tahasang pinagmamalaki ni Senator Marcoleta ang minority report for the lack of better term, he said, na kanyang nilabas noong December 10, 2025. Na siya ring naging paksa ng kanyang litanya kahapon. For his information, I wish to underscore a part of Section 22 of the Senate Rules shown on the screen, which states that, and I quote, concurring and dissenting reports may likewise be made by the members who do not sign the majority report within 72 hours from the approval of the report. Napakalinaw naman po, Mr. President. Concurring and dissenting reports may be made 72 hours after the committee report has been approved